There are very few educational institutions focusing only on practical knowledge, and there is only one institute in the field of polymer focusing on application-oriented academics. The Central Institute of Plastics Engineering and Technology, Cipet, is a premier national institution functioning under the various Indian government departments fully devoted for the growth of polymer and allied industries in India. The first Cipet Center was established at Chennai in 1968 by the Government of India with the assistance from UNDP and ILO. Today, headquartered at Chennai, Cipet operates at different locations across the country with high learning, diploma learning, specialized R&D and vocational training centers, including data services. Cipet is also in the process of establishing 11 more centers. Being a global institution, Cipet has signed Memorandum of Understandings for joint collaboration with world-renowned leading universities and organizations. All the Cipet centers are equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure facilities. Cipet is accredited with ISO and QMS certification, NABL and NABCB accreditation. Cipet is functioning with an aim to contribute towards sustainable growth of plastics and allied industry by producing plastics technology professionals and entrepreneurs.
The students are getting mobilized at the village and panchayat levels. Our faculties visits those places, interact with them and conduct the awareness programs and enroll them for the training programs. So based on their enrollment, they'll be called to the centers and then skill training will be provided to them.
Many of our alumni from the last 15 or 20 years are now heading various plastics organizations, and it's a very proud feeling to see that students from underprivileged backgrounds end up doing such wonderful jobs.
To achieve its objectives, Cipet offers a wide range of academic programs with varying entry levels in the niche areas of plastics engineering and technology.
Here in Cipet, we spend half the day learning about the types of machines and how they work, and other half of the day in the laboratories.
It helps us to enhance our knowledge theoretically as well as practically.
बाहर कहीं इतना अच्छा knowledge नहीं मिलता है मशीनों के बारे में, इतना Cipet में हमको मिल रहा है.
I was shocked when I came to this college for the first day. I never saw a person or a student sitting in the cafeteria while bunking a class. Every student and every staff is punctual.
Cipet की जो teaching faculty है बहुत ही अच्छी है और वो जितने भी लड़के हैं लगभग कोशिश करते हैं कि सबको individual attention दें.
Expert lecturers are brought in from current working industries.
Cipet has given me that industrial exposure.
I got internship in East Coast Railway. And that's just because of Cipet.
I think by being a part of those projects, we learn a lot about what the market is doing and how the world is working.
क्योंकि हमारा जो Cipet कॉलेज है हमें एज अ वर्कर काम करना नहीं सिखाता, वो हमें लीडरशिप सिखाता है कि हम कैसे लीड करें, हम अपना कैसे स्टार्टअप करें.
It's a place where you will learn, and if you want to go forward in this field, then absolutely it's the best place in the country.
With highly qualified and experienced faculty, enriched library, stimulating research opportunity and modern infrastructure facilities, Cipet blends modern-day teaching techniques with a traditional emphasis on imparting technical knowledge that makes learning an enjoyable experience.
In plastic industry, Cipet students are very important.
No wonder that the students of Cipet coming out
are very employable because they exactly know what they are doing.
Virtually, we can say that today's plastic industry is being run by Cipetians.
With the aim of transforming the plastics industry, Cipet focuses on developing entrepreneurs in the plastics segment. It provides appropriate training in all aspects of setting up a plastics industry.
In Cipet, what I learned is that only 20% is the theoretical and 80% is basically what is been taught to you practically.
It is only here that you have a nice balance of theory and practical that you can actually explore and take it forward and use it in your own industry.
Visits to the industry, talking to the industry people, bringing down industry people down to Cipet, taking them to a level where they understand what actually is happening.
The soft skills also are provided by Cipet, which is very important for a successful entrepreneur.
Cipet is just a catalyst. They have done a catalyst role in nurturing my life.
Cipet provides you a damn good platform to launch yourself.
Application of knowledge is an integral process in education which creates high-quality professionals.
I was working for various companies, including multinationals and limited companies in the country. Now I am the owner of one of the organizations based out of Baroda.
When I have passed out, I was selected in almost 5 companies. I have to select which company I have to join.
The knowledge I gained in Cipet has given me enormous knowledge in machine developments, tool developments, processings, designs, and consulting to other industries. Today, after 25-30 years, we have 9 locations in India and 1 in overseas.
We started this company in 1997. We started in very small way. So today, the overall our group turnover closer to 160 to 175 crores. Whatever it is, I learned only from the Cipet.
So you are already a winner when you get into Cipet.
Every family wants their child to be into a good college. And even if a family can't afford that minimal fee structure, they are providing scholarships for those students.
Cipet में एडमिशन लेना मेरे हिसाब से लगता है बहुत अच्छा डिसीजन है मेरी लाइफ का.
Cipet is providing us the platform to frame our innovative ideas.
Cipet में आने के बाद मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया और नर्वसनेस मिट गया.
If you want to go for plastics, there is only one best option, that is Cipet.
Cipet, armed with an excellent infrastructure in terms of technology and highly qualified engineers, is competent to meet the requirements in providing qualitative technology support services. Cipet renders technical consultancy and advisory services to polymer and allied industries. With an excellent combination of engineering knowledge and software skills and industrial experience, Cipet offers spectrum of engineering services in CAD, CAM and CAE that results in fulfilling the design and engineering requirements. All Cipet centers are well equipped with ultra-modern, conventional and CNC machines and expertise that enable the centers to handle commercial job assignments for mold fabrication, high-precision machining and manufacturing of standard mold bases for plastic products of any shape or complexities. Cipet undertakes precision job orders in the areas of inspection, proving and evaluation of molds and dies, processing of raw materials and supply of components, testing of moldability and optimization of processing conditions and parameters. Cipet's testing laboratories located at different parts of India are accredited by NABL and also recognized by BIS. Testing on materials and products are performed based on requirements of various standards. Cipet is well equipped with plastic professionals and trained inspectors with rich experience in inspection of various plastic products, and it ensures the highest level of accuracy and integrity in the performance of inspection services through centralized PDI cells. Cipet is one of the first Government of India educational institutions to be accredited for its third-party inspection services.
Cipet is an open platform for anybody, micro industry, small scale industry, medium scale industry, whichever.
The entrepreneur need not invest any investment in the beginning. We can identify a market for a particular product and come to us. We will be able to assist from the concept development to the end stage of it.
If you see the number of works taken under technology support service, the number has gone up. More and more industry we are supporting.
If I want to sell, I have to match international standards, and for that there are so many norms. Exporting to countries, you have to get into FDA and all that things. Your good manufacturing practices, your product designing. So Cipet, with all this infrastructure in place, will definitely help the small scale industry to avail of all these things, which will help the small scale industry people to compete.
Other than over and above education, Cipet is also helping small and medium scale industry as a technology support. If they want to do anything, testing, analysis, technical advice, process knowledge, all these things which Cipet is offering now is invaluable.
So we are there to support you. Even we call our technical service technical support service for industry. That is the main objective of establishment of Cipet.
Accredited by NABL, Cipet's calibration laboratories at Lucknow is equipped with high-accuracy master equipment. The center provides quality instrument calibration services to manufacturing, research and development. The faculty members undertake consulting assignments to provide solutions to the sector-specific problems and as inputs for policy making. Consulting provides an opportunity for the faculty to share insights with practitioners, test their ideas, and to improve their understanding of the real-world situation.
जैसे जैसे हम लोग सिपेट से काम करते गए, हम लोग को वैसे वैसे लोग जानने लगे हमको भी।
पहले हम एक वेंडर से करवाते थे राई इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया में, लेकिन वो डिलीवरी भी टाइम पे नहीं दे पाते थे और क्वालिटी में भी प्रॉब्लम रहती थी। फिर हम सिपेट में विजिट किया, यहाँ पे मशीनरी देखी, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर देखा, तो उसके बाद हमारे को लगा कि हमारे पास इतना बढ़िया वेंडर है, तो हम ऐसे लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरर से क्यों करवा रहे हैं।
मेरे आजकल 10 आइटम चल रहे हैं, 4 साल से यही जुड़ा हूँ। मेरा टोटल प्लास्टिक का जो भी बनता है तो यही से बन के जाता है। सिपेट का मुझे वो हेल्प नहीं मिलता तो हो सकता है कि ये प्रोजेक्ट होता था तो बड़ी दिक्कत के साथ होता था।
Cipet is helping plastic industry through different associations like IPMA, Plus India and other associations also.
Associations have got the main people who are working in the industry, the small scale producers, the medium and large scale. Cipet works with these people with regular seminars on topics of technology, quality.
Cipet has been playing a vital role in shaping various national and international bodies by rendering its expertise, and it also plays an active role with various plastic manufacturers associations.
Without Cipet, today what Indian plastic industry is, it would not have been possible.
And now the way it has come up with a number of centers, the technology and the consultancy work they are doing, which is absolutely amazing.
In India, if you say the plastic industry's growth is basically because of Cipet. The Cipet has given manpower, Cipet has provided technology, Cipet has provided QC testing, Cipet has helped to solve problems.
Cipet today is in a position to understand industry requirement and advise government to do needful about industry.
Polymer or plastic is an enabler industry.
You name it, any segment of economy, it touches, the plastic touches that particular thing.
The outputs of this industry goes as input in many industries.
Envisioned to be a global R&D hub, Cipet has established 3 exclusive R&D wings at Chennai, Bhubaneswar and Bengaluru. In an effort to encourage research and development on plastics, Cipet has created outstanding research centers at par with international standards. They are recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research and other major departments in the field of research and development. Cipet's dedicated scientists and engineers build and nurture new research ideas as well as analyze the complex challenges. Cipet's strength stems from its in-house capability to think, innovate and implement novel ideas. Advanced Research School for Technology and Product Simulation, ARSTPS, offers engineering solutions for complex and critical problems through a dedicated team of scientists and engineers. ARSTPS offers better visualization and easy data handling to create superior products more efficiently. ARSTPS is equipped with sophisticated state-of-the-art research facilities to provide technical support in areas of prototyping, product design, and rapid tooling. Major organizations have recognized Cipet as their prospective vendor for precision tooling, mold and product development. Laboratory for Advanced Research in Polymeric Materials at Bhubaneswar, equipped with sophisticated state-of-the-art facilities, provides technology support for material to product development.
There are a huge amount of plastic products that goes into the consumer. I always wondered what happens to these plastics when they reach their end of life. And that's when I came across Cipet. And I had a chance to do research at Cipet R&D wing, and I took up a project on e-waste recycling. I was working with waste materials, so the major concern was the identification of the materials. The best facilities of Cipet R&D wing and the enthusiastic staff helped me to achieve my results. Even before completing my PhD, with the learning I acquired during my research career, I was able to get placed in Indian Patent Office.
LARPM caters to the requirements of commercial, industrial and defense sectors of the country through its developmental activities. Major organizations have joined hands with the laboratory for various R&D ventures by actively conducting research activities and continuously formulating new scientific principles. Cipet enables effective utilization of plastics both by the industry and the consumers. Cipet has made an indelible mark in the plastics industry across the world.
Today, Cipet is gathered in a cap of Indian plastic industry.
I don't think without an institution like Cipet, the plastic industry in India would have reached where it has reached today.
And they will play a very dominant role in times to come in plastic industry.
Cipet, one-stop destination to fulfill all the services to the plastics and allied industry.